Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to move files on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open a Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. And after that, navigate to the folder where you have kept your file. And then select the file that you wanna move to another folder. So I'm choosing this file. Now normally, press on your keyboard Command+C. And now navigate to the folder where you wanna paste this file. Suppose this is the folder where I want to paste it. So now you have to press on your keyboard Command, Option and V button together. This command moves the file from its original location to the new one. Just you have to remember, dragging with the command key held down or using the Command plus Option plus V shortcut effectively moves the file, whereas using Command plus V without the Option key would paste a copy, leaving the original file in place. So that's the difference. Alternatively, you can also do it by right-clicking on it. So I'm right-clicking on it and then you have to select copy. So if you haven't any mouse, normally select the file, press on the control button of your keyboard and click on the trackpad and then select copy. And after that, navigate to your desired location and here normally press Command, Option and V button together. That's it. Now you know how to move a file on your MacBook. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.